I'm gonna shake, shake,
Bartender
shake.
namin, oh, bartender.
Guys, anong
Ito,
gusto mo?
assistant.
Guys, anong gusto gawin ko? Gusto niyang Malibu?
Naka-blue lagi lang ito, ha?
Guys, gusto niyang Malibu?
Malibog. Malibog.
Malibu, guys. Oh my God.
Wow. Can I
Our
order
new
some
bar.
margarita with
Oh, okay.
on the rocks?
Oh my God.
Margarita on the rocks?
Oh my God. Malibu talaga tayo, guys.
Mag-rap rate kayo doon.
Wow. I-ready yung rap niyo.
Hold on.
Guys, ang maganda. Promise.
Ano kayo doon? Mag-rate kayo doon.
Guys, if you are dehydrated, Vita Coco is to go for. But if you're not dehydrated, Malibu is good for you. Oh my God, ang ganda. If you like and apple juice, no sugar, it's delicious. Alam mo, yung pinaka-favorite ka. Wow! Coconut! Oh my God, guys, we're not dehydrated anymore. Wow!
Para kayong owner
You're gonna
dito.
get